Good morning, children, and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, we are discussing about first chapter of Snapshots book, and the name of chapter is The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse, which has been written by one of the renowned writers of English literature, or his name is William Serion. Dear students, in this lesson we are discussing about two Armenian boys whose family is famous for their honesty and trust. The narrator of the lesson, Mr. Aram, who is a 9-year boy who got opportunity one day to ride on horse, or this opportunity was provided by his elder cousin brother, or whose name is Mr. Murad, who is 13 years old, or who came to take Mr. Aram early in the morning at 4 o'clock. We also discussed in the previous video, dear students, that the narrator Aram was completely shocked and surprised to see his elder brother sitting on white horse. He was not firstly believing. He was thinking that he was seeing a dream, but after knowing the reality, he believed that his brother was sitting on the white, beautiful horse. Dear students, we discussed that how different questions came in the mind of Mr. Aram regarding that white, beautiful horse. How he doubted that his brother must have stolen, but at the same time he was confident that his family and his family members cannot do this illegal thing of stealing, because they were famous for their honesty and trust for last many centuries. We have also discussed in the previous video the crazy nature of his cousin Murad, as well as the crazy nature and craziness of Uncle Khusro. We have discussed about his physical appearance, and we have discussed about his qualities and characteristics. We have also discussed in the previous video that he was responding very rudely, and always he used to say, pay no attention, it is no harm. All these things we discussed. Today we have to discuss that both the brother Mr. Aram, the narrator, and his cousin brother Murad, they decided to ride on the horse at that morning. So they went from Walnut Avenue to Olive Avenue only in few minutes, or there his brother advised him to get down, because his elder brother Aram wanted to, Murad wanted to ride alone, or he had a good connection with that horse, white beautiful horse. Understood? Or how he did all these things, we have to discuss today. At last my cousin Murad said, "Get down, I want to ride alone." "Will you let me ride alone?" I asked. The narrator of the lesson, Aram, again, he also asked whether his brother Murad will provide him opportunity, give him chance to ride alone or not. "This is up to the horse," my cousin said. "It depends on the horse." Understood? "The horse will let me ride." The narrator replied that the horse will give the chance to him, to Mr. Aram, to ride. Then no problem. "Well," I said, "anyway, you have with a horse, I have also." Or he also claimed that he has good connection and good relation with the horse. His elder brother said that he has good connection and good relation. He was very close to the horse. He was knowing how to tackle and how to handle the horse. "All right," I said, "I remember you have got to let me try to ride alone." I got down and my cousin brother Murad kicked his heels into the horse and shouted, "Wazire, run." Name of the horse. Wazire, run. So he has given caution to the horse to start riding, start moving. The horse stood on its rear legs, snorted, created sound, and burst into fury of speed, burst into extreme speed. And my cousin Murad raced. My cousin Murad made the horse run. Dear students, and a field dry grass to irrigation ditch, crossed a ditch on the horse, and in 5 minutes he returned. Or in 5 minutes only he enjoyed different places. He enjoyed horse riding or came dipping wet. This time the sun was coming up. The day was about to start. The sun was about to rise. Or they wanted to, his brother, especially Mr. Murad, wanted to finish that horse riding before the day starts. It is my turn, and it is my turn to ride, I said. Murad finally got off the horse. Or finally the narrator, Mr. Aram, 9 years old, he got chance to ride on that white beautiful horse. I leaped to the back of the horse and a moment knew the most awful fear imaginable. For some time, slightly a fear was in the mind of Mr. Narrator, Mr. Aram, whether he will be successful in riding or not. Whether he will succeed in riding or not. The horse did not move. So finally his brother given him instruction, kick into his muscles, my cousin said. Finally his brother instructed him to kick the horse in his muscles. What are you waiting for? We have to take it back also before everybody in the world up and about. Before rising the people, before waking up the people, Mr. Murad wanted to hide the horse at a secret and safe place. Writer kicked the horse. Once again it reared and snorted. That particular white beautiful horse. It started running. Narrator did not know how to handle, how to tackle. Or finally, instead of going to the field, to the irrigation ditch, the particular horse moved to the vineyard of the Dicran Albania, where it began to live. Dear students, that particular horse moving, instead of moving to the field, it moves toward the Dicran Helbian vineyard. Or here is given, it crossed 7 vines before the rider fell down. Or the horse continued its running. Or here rider fell off the horse. Rider fell down from the horse. He was on the ground. There was no connection with the narrator and now with the horse. His elder brother was very much worried because he had to conceal the horse before sunrise. Understood? He wanted to keep it at safe and secret place. So finally he instructed his brother to go in one direction to search the horse, or he went in another direction. Or after some time they anyhow succeeded in catching the horse. Or after that, what they did? After that, dear students, they decided to suppose hide the horse. Or here is given, all right, he said, jump on, and the whole world awake now. And finally he took the horse, and he kept the horse at secret and safe place. Understood? Writer asked one question to him. Narrator asked, how long ago did you steal this horse? He wanted to know. Or at a deserted place he concealed the horse, at a lonely place. Understood? At a lonely place he kept the horse. He concealed the horse. There were some oats and dry grasses. Or there he kept the horse. Understood? Or it was the field once. One of the farmer, or his name was Fitjian. This particular field was field of one of the farmer, or his name was Fitjian. Or there he kept the horse. There he hid the horse. Dear students, or then after they returned back. Now they were free. Or they have planned to start and to enjoy horse riding next day. When they were coming to, several questions were asked by the narrator, Mr. Aaron. He wanted to know that how he has good connection and good understanding and good relation with the horse. So Mr. Murad said कि as he was older than Aram, he was 13 years and Aram was 9 years, so he has better connection and better relation with the horse, or he was knowing that how to handle the horse. It will take time to Aram to control the horse. They finally came to their house. Dear student, I wish I knew how to reach an understanding like that with a horse as his brother has a good understanding. You are still a small boy, his brother replied. Mr. Aram was a small boy of 9 years. When he will be up 13 years like him, like Mr. Murad, automatically he will get control over that horse. Automatically he will get good connection with that horse. Or he will be able to control as his elder brother was controlling. So finally they reached home after enjoying first day riding, but his brother made clear that he started riding on that morning only, but narrator was knowing he was enjoying riding for many days. Or when he came to his house at that afternoon, dear students, what happened? I want to tell you. After first day riding, what happened? That afternoon, my uncle Khusro came. Uncle Khusro, who was a crazy nature fellow, impatient nature fellow, that person, that family member, Khusro, Uncle Khusro came to the house of Mr. Aram for what? For enjoying tea and cigarette. Here uncle came to our house for coffee and not tea, but coffee and cigarettes. Or he sat in the parlor, he sat in the drawing room, or he was sipping the tea and smoking the cigarettes. At that time, when his uncle of Mr. Aram, when he was sipping the tea and smoking the cigarettes, at that time another visitor entered in the house. And then another visitor arrived, or his name was John Byro. John Byro, who was the real owner of White Horse. That particular man entered, or who was Arsian, and he used to live alone, but he used to speak Armenian. Understood? Our narrator's mother, Aram's mother, brought coffee and tobacco for him also. And he rolled a cigarette and sipped and smoked. Then at last he slightly sat. Then he said sadly, what he said? My white horse which was stolen last month is still gone. I cannot understand it. Then he gave information to Uncle Khusro that his horse was lost for a last 1 month, or he could not get till now. But you know the nature of Uncle Khusro, how he used to react. He simply said it is no harm, pay no attention. Uncle Khusro became very irritated and shouted, it is no harm, pay no attention. What is the loss of a horse? Haven't we lost our motherland? He reminded, why are you crying for this small horse? Why are you saying this? It is no harm, pay no attention. But what is the reply of that John Byro, the owner of that white horse? He said, here is given, that may be all right for you, city dweller, the people who live in the city. John Byro said, but what of my Sare? Sare means a light four-wheeled carriage, means that ghoda gadi. What he will do with that ghoda gadi without horse? Gadi is there, but ghoda is not there. Horse is not there. Only the carriage was there. So what he will do with that? What good is a Sare with a horse? Without horse, uncle again said, pay no attention, it is no harm. So being angry, after knowing the reaction of uncle, being angry, he left the house of Mr. Aram, or he slammed the door. Understood, dear students? Slam. Here is the slamming, shutting the door with a lot of force. what happened after that, I will tell you, dear students, in next video.